Jai Hind everyone, how are you guys? How do you feel right now? I mean, how do you feel this time? Yes, guys, because everything is possible. That guys, everything is possible on on the particular time basis. Yes, mm. Guys. First of all, we talking about today's discussion. I mean, we today we discuss about a particular topic like your energy. What is your energy and वेयर इज़ योर एनर्जी? यस यस गाइस, जैसा कि मेरा नज़र ऐसे चलता है ना, ऐसे ऊपर इधर उधर चलता है, थोड़ा सा इधर उधर चलता है, यानी सोचते हैं तो आँख जो है, आँख इधर उधर घूमने लगता है, ठीक है ना। तो बेसिकली गाइस, आज हम लोग बात करेंगे अपना नॉलेज को लेकर के। यस, बिकॉज माइंड इज़ always diverted, mind is always diverted into circular, I mean into more directions. Yes, more direction like social media. Yes, this time by guys, basically this time more craziness of social media. Yes, also social media. so so let's start guys, don't waste time. Let's start with our daily journey. First of all guys, today is 17th of March 2025 and this is Amardeep, and we discuss regular about your personality development and your knowledge increasing. Yes, your knowledge, I mean our knowledge increasing step by step. Yes, this is the main step, and this is my thoughts guys, my point of view. Yes, this is my point of view, because everything is possible in this life. Yes, and if we regular doing our best and with proper and consistency, follow and maintain our routine, daily routine like morning routine, morning workout and running, and meditation, exercise, running, etc. Blah blah blah. Okay. So this is morning time, and if you do this work on time, then you must face our next step. Yes, next step, it means like your reading part. Yes, I mean this time is most important, because this time is your mind is always open and work properly guys. But today we face more challenges like sleepy mode, more my moment is more sleepy. Yes guys, so I decide I go to first and and sit down, and also sleep yet guys, approx 1.5 hour. Yes, continuously 1.5 hour I slept 8 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Yes, and guys, then my eyes is open, and I feel like more hungry, like I want to more food, eating food. I want to more eating food guys. Yes guys, definitely I I I I am not cooking anything, because guys, this is student life, and basically you you remember guys, you think that student life is the more challenges faces. If you think, I mean your thoughts must be deeply in the sense like भूख लग गया है वो तो होता है ना। तो देन गाइस, आई डिसाइडेड नो एनी वर्क doing, I am not doing any work, anything. And first of all, I go to bath, and I clean my full body and full face mode, and then guys I return, and then I cook food, and after some time, I mean it takes time, I think 20 minutes. Yes, 20 minutes, then I eat. our lunch on I think 12:30, 12:30 to 35 40, yes, 12:30 to 40, yes, 12:30 or 40 mid, yes. Then guys, I ate lunch. Do you think about my time? This is not my routine, but today is my my feel. I mean, in during Holi, I am going. I was going to Vrindavan, as you know that guys. I was going to in Vrindavan, and basically guys, 4 days I travel more travels and more enjoy this Holi and Vrindavan. Also I go in Delhi. I mean, I go to Delhi also 1 days after. I mean, 1 days for 1 days. And guys, this 4 days duration unlikely, uh, like guys, I I I excited to this day, but I had gone there. I see that too. I see more challenges, guys, because there is a many लुक्कर सब होता है ना, लड़का सब लुक्कर सब, बिहेवियर हमको अच्छा नहीं लगा वो लोग का, ठीक है ना, कि कोई आया है, कोई यहाँ पे आया है सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए, तो इस तरह बिहेव नहीं करना चाहिए, बिकॉज गाइस सम पीपल्स इज अंडरस्टैंड दैट गाइस। आई मीन, कुछ होता है ना एक्सेप्शन कि हाँ कुछ कभी भी नहीं सुधरेगा, तो सम बेसिकली उसी तरह होता है कुछ। So guys, I decide I decide that I am going to Delhi, and I spend on time, I think 24 hours on Delhi, yes. In evening time, guys, as you know that reels I uploaded in this channel, yes, Kartavya Path, yes, I gone there guys, I had gone there, and I spend on time, I think for no 5, yes, 5 p.m. to 8 p.m., yes, 3 hours, yes. Basically I spend on 3 hour on that place, yes. I mean Kartavya Path, India Gate, New Delhi, yes, India Gate, Kartavya Path, 3 hour I spend on time this, yes, basically. And guys, that time must be important, most important, guys, yes, yes, basically. And as you know that guys, my strategy and my strength is excited to that time, yes, because there are so many people, and I see that more people. And guys, I also see more students guys, like boys and girls, yes, couples, basically it is couples, yes, basically हम लोग इसको couples बोल सकते हैं, yes guys. And guys, one thing I add this, because I know about this. I mean, who student who know about any thoughts, any knowledge, but only जैसे होता है ना, दिखावा करने के लिए स्टाइल वगैरह वगैरह, कैसे कैसे करता है, मतलब कि होता है ना दिखावा, कि हाँ ये आता है मुझे, दिखावा ये बहुत ही गंदा चीज़ है, ठीक है ना, कि दिखावा कर रहा है कि मुझे ये चीज़ आता है, ठीक है ना। बस गाइस, फॉरगेट इट, मैं उसको भूल गया, कोई बात नहीं, जो हुआ सो हुआ, भूल गया, कहानी ख़त्म, इधर से सुना उधर से निकल गया, मतलब अरे यार हमको नहीं बोला था, मतलब दिखावा होता है ना एक चीज़, तो वही देखे वहाँ पे। बट गाइस कोई नहीं, फॉरगेट इट, दिस इज़ द प्लेस ऑफ आवर एनर्जी टू बूस्टिंग, आई मीन एनर्जी को बूस्टअप करने के लिए वहाँ पे गए थे, बिकॉज वहाँ पे बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है, ठीक है ना। ओके, सो बेसिकली दिस इज द मेन थॉट्स ऑफ our capacity improves. I mean our mind, basically our mind is used properly because if we regular doing special for our life, and we regular do for our future, yes, and mind always keep clean and always be happy, guys. Yes, because happiness is the most part of our life. Yes, our life happiness is our part. Yes, and guys, remember that this is the main thoughts. We both connect each other because we are in a goal. In this time we are in a goal, particular goal, and view we view that clearly view, and our fixed goal is the clear view. So forget it, okay, and do work hard, keep smiling like more strategic. Yes, okay, okay guys, see you tomorrow on this time, okay. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद ऑल ऑफ यू।